Hi there. So we're going to look at finding some length and release in the neck in this session. So I want you to find a really comfortable seat, your feet on the floor and your hands resting comfortably in your lap, growing up tall through the crown of the head, and then turning to look over the right shoulder and coming back through center, and then turning to look over the left shoulder and coming back through center. So I'm keeping my shoulders forwards and I'm just turning my head and my neck side to side, noticing how my neck feels, keeping that length through the spine, the neck and the head. The next time I come back through center, I'm going to take my right ear over towards the shoulder and then drawing my head back through center and taking the left ear over towards the shoulder and coming back through center. Let's do that once more, both sides. Taking my ear over towards the shoulder, keep both shoulders down, and then lifting my head back through center, and then taking the left ear down towards the shoulder, and bringing it back through center. Our final movement, let's tuck the chin in towards the chest. And we're going to draw some little semicircles, like a smile from one shoulder to the other. So just drawing the chin down towards the chest, and around towards one shoulder, and the chin back towards the chest and around towards the other shoulder. We'll come back through center. Thanks.